All right, 2 balls, 2 goals. I'm gonna hit both of these. You ready? Let's go. What's up, y'all? Jack here, and today is Tuesday, my favorite day of the week. And today I'm gonna take you through a tour of our digital closer facility so you can get a feel for what we do, how we do it, and how we run a 7-figure company from our cell phone, from our laptop. Let's go. Let's get it rocking. What's up, y'all? Welcome inside digital closer facility. Let's take you on a little tour, you know what I'm saying? Come on. First, we're gonna start with my favorite place, the game section. All right, we got the ping pong table. Come over here, let me show you the scoreboard real quick. It would appear that Nick is winning, but it's not the truth. We also got the Pop-A-Shot. This is my favorite game. You know, I walk in here every morning. I make sure I make a basket to start the day off the right way. And I'm gonna do it again today. Let's go. Boom. It's easy. Ping pong table, like I said, I'm a little down on the week, but it won't end that way. As you can see right here, these are kind of like our home open quarters. Nick, what's going on, bro? This is Nick, by the way, sales executive. Say what's up to him, Nick.
What's up? How we doing?
So as you can see, we're doing a little facility tour. And right here, we got kind of, you know, just a little hangout space. This is my favorite desk in the whole building. When you see me here, you know I'm cooking, you know I'm working, and I'm exercising. I'm getting those steps in, those pedals in. Over here, we have another little living space. This is where when we have group meets, we have training sessions. Nick meets with our setters and our closers, kind of make sure they're doing a good job. This is kind of our living area. As you can see on the back, these are our little cubbies where our closers close deals. Right now, the only person we got in the office today is Ashley. She's one of our top sales reps. I would introduce you to her right now, but sounds like she is on a call. That's it. You can see the different spaces. We got the wall backdrop. Let me take you over here real quick. We got LeBron. I'm a Kobe fan, but like LeBron, I had to put him on the wall. Shout out our closer award for 500K, closing 500K in sales. And then let me take you around here and we'll show you the back section. Here you can see our back area. This is kind of our executives. We had an office here. Fire marshal came in. What did the fire marshal tell us, Nick?
He said we're growing too fast. We're too good.
We have too many people in here. There's gonna be a fire. So we had to knock down the walls. Now we got one big open space. We're still trying to figure out what we're gonna do with it. But this is it. You see conference table. What do you do here, Nick? Like, what's your day look like?
Check in on the team, do some reviews. Lots of reviews.
Morning huddle first, which
morning
is
huddle.
Your specialty.
This is the morning huddle zone. Usually it's like this. I charge the computer a little bit. Make sure the calendar's being hit correctly. Make sure people are treating the people right and everything goes smoothly.
100%. So most of our calls, they're done on Zoom. What we like to do is when somebody steps into the Zoom, we want to make them feel like they're stepping into this office or they're stepping into our home. Like, we want to treat them good. We want to treat them like they're expected. That's what Nick's job is, you know. He's the person that makes sure the person's doing his job. Come on in here, we're going to the podcast room. It's a little messy right now, but this is where we shoot a lot of content. As you can see, this is it, man. This is where I usually work. Put in the hours, be a little off the grid. You can see the whiteboard in the corner. Got some stuff on it, and that's it, man. This is a fairly easy office tour. Remember when she blew me off? That's why I can't text. Now she call me petty, but I swear I can't forget. This ain't a test. Now they saying that I ball like Jerry West. Coming back for what is mine, can't take no less. I said go and take a shot, so I need your best. Hey, get that shot. Get that shot. We'll run that to it. That'll be easy.
So what's it like being a digital closer?
It's a little bit different because if you don't do anything, then you don't make anything. However, it has like pretty much infinite potential. I think being a digital closer means that you lay like a foundation or get a skill level to allow yourself to pretty much do anything you want to the rest of your life. The main thing with it is being able to work when you want and where you want.
You know, financial freedom is what everybody aspires for, right? They set out for that, but what they find is location freedom, time freedom. Ideally, in a perfect world, they're more fulfilled, they're happier, they're living life on their terms. Honestly, that's what we set out to do when we started this. It's not about making the most money. That's a very good side effect, but it's not something we like walk around and pretend, oh, we're the coolest people, it's more about just living life on our own terms and then creating the life that we want. That's why this space is so important. It's gonna be a place that trains over 500 people in the next 2 years. We want to, make a positive impact on at least 500 people inside of here, learning how to master the skill of digital closing.
All 500 of them, the goal is to take over the subway at least once.
So actually, what's your day-to-day like?
Saving lives, man. That's what we doing out here. But no, seriously, just getting to know people, and learning their areas and seeing where they are, seeing if we can help them. Talking to people, I just got out picking on somebody because they like the Dallas Cowboys. I like football, but I'm not really big in it. But I'm adaptable, so I can talk with anybody. But the thing is, out here teaching as well. I'm a coach, and I'm on the sales team, so I do a little bit of both, man. So my day is just talking to people and seeing if we can help them.
When are you coming out here? Are your parents coming to help you move in, or just you, right?
Just me. Yeah.
Perfect, good. Just let me know, man. Give me a heads up.
Okay, I got
All right.
you.
See you, bro. Boom. So that could be pretty cool. We're gonna get Marco, and we're gonna turn him into a boss. We're gonna go from high school to a boss. I promise you. Tomorrow we actually have a guy coming out from Idaho. Just finished high school less than a month ago. Literally packing up his bags, telling his parents, bye. I want to be a digital closer. I'm moving to Charlotte, North Carolina. We're gonna pick him up tomorrow. We're gonna pick it right back up where we pick him up tomorrow, and we'll see you there. Let's go.